Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making peach cobbler. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of frozen peaches, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 box of rolled pie crust. Place your pie crust in the bottom of a baking dish, then sprinkle with sugar and cinnamon. Gently rub in your mixture, then transfer it to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Using medium-high heat, bring a pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add your peaches and allow them to cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the granulated sugar, brown sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon, then mix until well combined. Allow your peaches to cook until they are just tender, then turn off your heat and add your lemon juice and vanilla extract. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now add your peaches to your baking dish, then top with your remaining pie crust. Sprinkle your pie crust with cinnamon and sugar, then transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow your cobbler to cook for 50 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.